Friends, namaskar. Welcome to Sai Culinary Solution channel. Friends, in previous video we have discussed about types of food additives, their E number ranges, and I was told in that video that we'll further in next video will separately make videos for all the 6 ranges of food additives. Among that, first one is preservative, and this video is all about preservatives. Friends, it's gonna be very helpful to you because I'm going to tell you about the preservatives, how many types of preservatives, how it's work with your product to retain the shelf life, to extend your shelf life of product. Also, their E numbers, INS numbers. Please be with me till the end of video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and tap on bell icon so that you would be tuned with us. Now come to the topic, food preservatives. Under food additives, first one is preservatives. There are basically 3 types of preservatives used in foods. First one is antimicrobial, second one is antioxidant, third one is antibrowning agents. These additives are grouped under the category of preservatives in the INS systems. The antimicrobials with E and INS number ranging from 200 to 290 are used to check or prevent the growth of microorganisms. As by the name of antimicrobial, it's very easy to understand, is prevent microorganisms. Antimicrobials play a major role in extending the shelf life of numerous snack and convenience useful foods and have come into even greater use in recent years as microbial food safety concerns have increased. Second, the antioxidants. INS 300 to 326 and the same in E number E300 to 326. Antioxidants are used to prevent lipid and or vitamin oxidation in food products. They are used primarily to prevent auto-oxidation and subsequent development of rancidity and off flavor. Auto-oxidation. What is auto-oxidation? The unsaturated fatty acids present in lipid of many foods are at risk to chemical breakdown when exposed to oxygen. The oxidation of unsaturated fatty acids, it proceeds by a free radical chain reaction. The antioxidants vary from natural substances such as vitamin C and vitamin E to synthetic chemicals such as BHA and BHT. BHA, butylated hydroxyanisole, and toluene. The antioxidants are especially useful in preserving dry and frozen foods for an extended period of time. Antibrowning agents, third one, are a chemical used to prevent both enzymatic and non-enzymatic browning in food products, especially dried fruits or vegetables. Enzymatic browning is a chemical process which occurs in fruits and vegetables by the enzyme polyphenol oxidase. Polyphenol oxidase, which results in browning pigments. Non-enzymatic browning. It results from a chemical reaction between an amino acid and a sugar, usually requiring heat. Without it, it can't happen. The most commonly used additives in this category, anti-browning, are vitamin C, citric acid, and sodium sulfide. Vitamin C E300, citric acid E330, sodium sulfide E221. These additives are classified as either antioxidant or preservatives in the INS system but retain the same number as in the E system without the E. Friends, this is all about the preservative. Hopefully it's very beneficiary to you. Have a good day. Bye bye.